Good morning, Cooper.
What did Santa bring?
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Look what Santa brought.
What did Santa bring, Bella?
Good morning, Austin.
What? Did Santa really bring that?
Yeah, look.
What?
What's this? What's this?
Skateboard!
No, it's for Austin. Austin asked for that.
Yeah. Even his is his stocking.
Austin's because it's on his skateboard.
What? And
Boys.
I do not like peppermint. Well, I like peppermint.
Give Cooper his doggy.
Here, Cooper.
And it has a carrot in it.
A carrot?
Like, that's a dinosaur. Hey, we got that.
Cooper.
Cooper.
Give Cooper his stocking.
Here.
Look at your stocking.
Oh.
Oh.
Peppermint! Peppermint! Oh, Merry Christmas, Granny.
Merry Christmas, boys and girls.
You got two snakes?
I got the same thing, I think. Maybe.
Look at Bella.
Yeah. A little overwhelmed. I can't.
I'll stay outside the snake. Whoa. I got
This
Buttercup.
is her.
Me too. I got Buttercup.
What you got, Bella? Hi, darling.
Also, I'll stay with my snake. No, thank you. I watch.
Hey, boys.
I got the
Give Granny a grin for the camera.
I'll stay with my snake.
Grinning?
Oh,
Are we
really?
grinning? No, we're busy. We're too busy to grin.
Look at your
Thank you,
castle. It's got
Cooper.
ways in, ways out, drawbridges.
Yeah. Hey, mine only.
Huh?
To share it.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Santa was gonna bring one big present. Yeah, and this is a one big present.
You got it right, buddy.
Oh,
Is that cool?
I got the snake too. And kind of people.
Oh, you own it.
Can I quit videoing? Do you
Yeah.
think? You think I got enough?
And